Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel KB Khalsa Brothers. I have created a tic-tac-toe game using AI and Python. So let me show you. Here's my tic-tac-toe game and I have created tic-tac-toe.py and runner.py. Runner.py is for the graphical purpose and tic-tac-py is the real AI. So first of all I will play with it, then I will show you and explain the code. So I will go to command prompt and type python runner.py and here I go. So first of all it will ask me play tic-tac-toe, play as X, play as 0. Oh, if I choose play as X, first line will be mine, and if I do play as 0, the first line will be of computer. So let me introduce play as X first. So now first of all my turn is here, so I will go and to take center, 0 by computer, O by computer, and I'll do X and tie. So let me introduce to you with play as 0 button. So now first turn will be of computer and now it will be my turn, and next here and it is tie again. So let us change our style. Oh my god, X wins, so computer wins here. So it was my game. So let's see towards code. So see, I have opened my runner.py and here is it. So first of all I am having pygame, time, tic-tac-toe, http I have introduced, and this code is only for the graphical purposes. So you can see I have used pygame in all of it, and now it's time for tic-tac-toe.py, which is little bit more interesting. I have created some AI algorithm for it. So here first of all copy and math I have imported, and some initial state empty. It means all the blocks, like you have seen before, all the blocks were empty. This is the initial state of starting, and runner.py started with initial state only. You can see initial state. So our next is action, to get all possible action, like 3 horizontal and 3 vertical, and you can see here 3 horizontal and 3 vertical, and these are all possible actions. Then result, the possible function to apply an action to the board. This is result function, and last winner. So it will like counting, if 1 1 1 it means horizontal line is complete of X or O, so it will win rows and it in columns, and if diagonals. So it was the winner function, and at last and then function to check if the game is over, and next function is utility to calculate utility of the board. And now the best part, the AI algorithm which I have used for making my tic-tac-toe, which is minimax algorithm with alpha beta pruning. Okay, so this is the algorithm which I have used. If player board is equal to X, then it will found the best score to do, best action to do, and it will calculate score and best action by this minimax algorithm. Okay, so this is a full minimax algorithm I have introduced to you, and I have also introduced runner.py with you. So let's run it again and let's go. So now you know how this tic-tac-toe games works. So now you know how this tic-tac-toe games works. Thank you very much.